everybody please stand up for our prayer?
Please bow your heads and let us pray. Dear Jesus, please show me how to spend this day sharing your love in every way. Help me to be kind to everyone, to play and love, and have lots of fun, shining your light and giving your grace, sharing your joy with a smile on my face. Angel of God, my guardian dear, to whom God's love commits me here. Ever this day be at my side, to light and guard, to rule and guide. Amen.
Amen. Okay, once again, good morning, class. How are you today? Good. Good to hear that. By the way, I am Teacher Janice and I will be your teacher for today. But before we start, let's have first our energizer for us to be energized. Okay, everybody dance! Alright. Okay. Are you having fun? Alright. Okay. Are you having fun? Okay, good. Now, I want you to look at your classmate. Is there any absent for today? None. Very good. Let's all give ourselves a very good clap. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Very good. Again. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Very good. All right. Okay, now, before we go on, let me remind you first to our classroom rules. In our class, we have 4 classroom rules. So we have rule number 1. Okay, sit down properly. Is everybody are sitting down properly? Okay, very good. Next, we have rule number 2. It means, yes, listen to teacher. If teacher is talking here in front, you have to listen. And once teacher blow this whistle, that means you have to quiet and listen. Okay? And next, we have rule number 3. Okay, raise your hand if you want to answer. Do not answer in chorus. And lastly, rule number 4 is pick up pieces of paper or plastic under your chair or table. We have to maintain our classroom clean. Okay, did you understand? Okay, very good. Now, who can still remember our lesson last meeting? Okay, very good. I am happy to know that you still remember our lesson. Now, before we go on, I have here first a video. I will show you first a video and I want you to watch this. Okay. Alright. So from that video, okay, what was the video all about? It is all about, yes, Bonafe? Yes, it's all about integers. So today, we were going to tackle about concept of integers. Okay, but before that, what are those real life scenarios that you have seen from that video? Anyone? Yes, that's right. Okay, those real life situations involves or make use of integers. Okay, to further understand our lesson, I have here a real life lesson that involves or make use of integers. Let's take a look at this example. Where, okay. These are the example of a tree. Okay, in this example of a tree, where do you think is the ground level? Okay, anyone? Very good. The ground level represents the 0. And the above ground level represents the positive number, while the below ground level represents the negative number. If we say the height of a tree is 6 meters, it is equivalent to Positive 6. Why? Why is it positive and not negative? Okay, class, for you to easy to understand our lesson or to identify either positive or negative, you should look for a keyword. What was our keyword here? Okay, the word height. Okay, if we say height, it refers to a measurement of how tall or how tall a person or a thing. So if the height of a tree is 6 meters, it is equivalent to positive 6. Do you understand? Okay, very good. Another, if we say that depth of the root is 4 meters negative 4 meters below ground level, we can also express it as negative 4. What is our keyword there? Yes, the keyword there is the word below. Okay, and then as you can see that to further understand our lesson, I have here a more example of a real life situations that involves of integers. Okay. Okay, I have here a real life situations that involves integers. So I have here examples of real life situations that is positive numbers. And in this column, I have here example of negative real life situations. Okay, first is gaining weight of 2 kilograms. So our keyword here are the word gaining. So that is why it belongs to the positive numbers. And then losing weight of 2 kilograms. Okay, it means losing weight is our keyword here. That's why it belongs to negative numbers. And then let's move to number 2, moving 8 steps forward. So our keyword there is moving. Our keyword there is the word forward. And then in the negative is moving steps backward. And our keyword there is the word backward. And then let's go to the number 3, going 3 kilometers upstream. Okay, so our keyword there are the word upstream. While here in negative number example, going 3 kilometers downstream. So our keyword are the word downstream. And the fourth one, deposing 100 pesos. Okay, so the word deposing, it belongs to the positive number. While in negative numbers, the word withdrawing 100 pesos, our keyword there is the word withdrawing. And the fifth one, we have the 12 feet above the ground. And our keyword there is the word above. While in negative numbers, we have the 12 feet below the ground, and our keyword there is the word below. So why do we need to study integers? Anyone? Okay, yes, because real life situation can be presented by integers just like our examples. It is important that we know the words that imply in this positive or negative integers, just like we did. We find the keywords so that we will know if it belongs to positive or negative integers. Do you get it? Okay, now let's go on here. Let's take a look of this number line. Okay, this number line is divided into 2 parts. The left part and the right part by the number of 0. 0 here is the number, 0 here is the integers and either positive or negative. And the numbers in the right negative integer. Okay, do you get it? Again, where is the positive? Left or right? Very good. Right, while negative is in the left side. Left side. Okay. Okay, if we say 2 units to the right of 3, how can we present it into a number line? Okay, so this is how you're going to do it. Okay, for example, okay, 2 units, okay, 2 units to the right of 3. Okay, so how can we present it into a number line? Okay, this is how are we going to do this. Okay, 2 units to the right of 3. Again, where is the right side? It is positive or negative? Positive. Okay. Yes, positive. It means we need to move 2 units to the right of 3. So, this is we're going to do 2 units to the right of 3. So, let's start here in number 3. 2 units to the right of 3 is equivalent to what? Positive 5. Very good. Now, let's do another example. Okay, another example is okay, can you read? Okay, what is 4 units to the left of 0? Okay, so just like we did in the first example, but this one, this time it looks for the 4 units to the left of 0, meaning it is a negative integer. So we need to move 4 units to the left of 0. So this is how you're going to do. Okay, 4 units to the left. Okay, so let's 1, 2, 3, and 4. So 4. So the 4 units to the left of 0 is negative 4. Do you understand? Okay. Alright, so now let's have another real world situations that can describe by integers. Okay, by the way, let's define first integers. Okay, integers are part of number system. They are a combination of natural numbers or counting numbers, and their opposite including 0. Integers are composed of positive and negative whole numbers including 0. Okay, so this is another real-life example that involves the use of integers. So this is a sea level. So the 0 represents, as what I have said a while ago, the 0 here represents the ground level, or the sea level rather, the sea level. So the above level represents the positive numbers, and then the below sea level represents the negative integers, negative number. So if we say 50 feet above sea level, it is equivalent to 50 or positive 50 feet. Next, 50 feet below sea level is equivalent to, yes, it's equivalent negative 50 feet. Okay. Okay, now, do you understand our lesson? Okay, very good. Now let us now class to know if you really understand our lesson. I will group you into 3 groups. This is group 1, group 2, and group 3. Each of group is given real life situation scenarios excuse me, that involves integers, and I want you to present it as integers and underline their key word. Do you understand? Okay, go to your group. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Are you done? Okay, let's see if your work is correct. Alright, very good. All of their works are correct. Let's all give ourselves a wonderful clap. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Wonderful. Okay, again. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Wonderful. Alright, now you may now go back to your proper seat. Okay, did you enjoy our activity? Yes? Okay, is it fun? Alright, now I have here another. Okay, now I want, excuse me, I want 5 volunteers to come here in front to answer this, this word problem. Okay, anyone? Okay, Bonafé, Shane, okay, Marichan, Karen, okay, Gracie, okay, can you, okay, those are the volunteer, okay, let's all give them a clap, okay, so, alright, let's see if their answer is correct, very good, their answer are correct, they really understand our lesson, excuse me, okay, very good, okay, alright, now, class, do you understand our lesson? Yes, if you really understand our lesson, again, what is integer? Okay, if you really understand, what is integer? Okay, if we say integer, it is a combination of counting numbers and natural numbers, okay? And it is composed of positive and negative numbers. Is it important to study or to understand integers? Yes, it is important. Okay, so do you have now any questions or clarifications? None? Are you sure? Alright, okay, since you already understand our lesson, I want you to get a 1/2 crosswise and answer these following questions for your for your quiz. Okay, I want you to copy and answer, right? And if it is negative, and write P if it is positive, and underline its key word. Excuse me. Okay. Okay, I'll give you a 10 minutes to answer this. Okay, are you done? Pass your paper. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Alright, okay. So, in your assignment, I want you to copy this one. Okay, do this in your assignment notebook. Oh, excuse me. Give at least 5 examples when do we use integers in real life situations. Okay, I want you to answer in your assignment notebook. Okay, do you understand, kids? Alright, okay, if there any questions? None? Okay, if none, I want you to stand up. Okay, goodbye class. Okay, goodbye and see